Assalamualaikum. My name is Safi Sakina binti Muhammad Farido, and we will be presenting the group project for ITT633 for automatic router configuration for SNMP using Paramiko, which is Python 3.
First of all, I will introduce to our team. First one is Nick Muhammad Harith bin Nick Sukriman, student ID 2021 393-627. The second teammate is me, Safa Sakina binti Muhammad Khalido 2021-836-426. The third teammate is Ammar Arif bin Ainul Rahman 2022-949-491. And the last teammate is Muhammad Hafizullah bin Baharuddin, student ID 2021-847-428. Moving on to the introduction, this project aims to enhance network efficiency and security by automating tasks such as configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Utilizing tools like Paramiko and SNMP, it streamlines network management, enhances performance monitoring, and ensures uniform network settings. The objective is to reduce the workload on administrators, allow real-time performance monitoring, and ensure proactive issue resolution. The project will create a robust, scalable automation solution that improves network reliability and operational efficiency. The goal is to provide a resilient network environment capable of adapting to the demands of a dynamic and evolving network landscape. Moving on to project specification, we will be using these following apps and following tools, which is Python 3, Paramiko, a laptop, a GNS3, and GNS3 for the virtual machines, and the VMware, which is a virtual machine to run the GNS3. The last one is network topology. As you can see, we have one switch, 5 routers, and one NUT, and the last one, which is the most important one, is the network automation.
Next step is about method. In here, I will explain about the router configuration. For the first one, I will show about router 1. First step is entering the global configuration mode. Second is configuring an interface. Number 3 is setting the domain name. Next part is configuring VTY line for SSH access, and then enabling SSH version 2, and then creating the local user account. After that, we saving the configuration. So that's all for the configuration router for the router 1. This is the router 2, and this is the router 3, router 4, and router 5.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amar. Next, we discuss about results and analysis. So, in the result and analysis, there is output process. The output process is just an effect that shows what happened when executing the code. So, as you can see, uh, we enter the information here, enter the code here, the prompt, and for each line, it will print the output of the terminal from the routers. So there is first there is show some connection, and it shows the each configuration that happens in the terminal of the router. So there is first router, second router, and there is third router, fourth, and finally fifth. It shows what happened in the configuration, and it also inserts some data to the SNMP server. So with the process, there is result. This will we get from the router, show SNMP, and it show the chassis contact location. It is the same as the process output. From the process output, yes, you can see the contact is AMA, location is Malacca, and community is Jasin. Each router has the same information. This is router 2. It is also has contact and location.
Okay, next we move to the result for the router 3. To see all the result for the router 3, we using show SNMP, and we can see the chassis number of the router, contact, and the location of the router. Next, we move to the router 4. Also, we will be using show SNMP, and we can see all the details for the router 4, which is we can see the chassis number, contact, also the location. Next, we move to the result for the router 5. Same to the router 3 and also the router 4. We will be using show SNMP, and the result for the router 5, we can see the chassis number, contact, also the location for the router 5. Next, we move to the network automation. Here we can see all the source code for the entire project. So for the conclusion of our project, this network automation project combines Paramico and GNS3 to benefit network engineers and administrators. Paramico automates SSH connections for secure remote device management, file transfers, and command execution. GNS3 serves as a simulation platform to test network configurations and automation scripts before deploying them in production, ensuring realistic and reliable results. Automation with Paramico and GNS3 enhance accuracy, reduce manual effort, and improve operational efficiency by streamlining tasks like configuration management, firmware updates, monitoring, backup, restore procedures, and network provisioning. So that's all from our team. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much.